How to solve x power 9 plus x power 6 is equal to 36. Find the value of x. So we have x power 9 can be written as x power 3, then bracket power of 3, then plus x power 6 is same as x power 3, then bracket power of 2 is equal to 36. Now we see x power 3, both term is same. So let x power 3 is substituted by y. So our equation will be y cube plus y square, then is equal to 36. Now I can write here y cube plus y square, then this plus 36 take to the left side, so this will be minus 36, then is equal to 0. Now we have y cube, then plus y square, then minus 36 can be written as minus 27 minus 9, then is equal to 0. How to understand this? Pay attention here, the nearest cubic number of 36 is 27. So you can write here minus 36 can be written as minus 27 minus 9. Most of the time you can understand such as this process. Now we have y cube, then minus 27 is same as minus 3 cube, then plus y square, then minus 9 can be written as minus 3 square, then is equal to 0. Now here you can apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. Here a is as y, b is as 3. So according to this formula, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Here a will be equal to y, then b will be equal to 3. So according to this formula I can write here y minus 3 times y square plus y times 3 plus 3 square. That means a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula of a cube minus b cube. Then here we can apply the formula of a square minus b square. Here a is as y, b is as 3. So according to this formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So according to this formula, I can write here plus y plus 3 times y minus 3. That means a plus b times a minus b. This is the formula of a square minus b square, then is equal to 0. Now we see y minus 3 is common. So I take common y minus 3. So bracket y minus 3 is out of this bracket. So this divided by this, that means this y minus 3, this y minus 3 will be cancelled. So we have y square plus y times 3, that means it will be 3y, then plus 3 square is same as plus 9. Then this divided by this, that means this y minus 3, this y minus 3 will be cancelled. So we have plus y plus 3, then bracket close is equal to 0. Now I can write here y minus 3 is equal to 0, or y square plus 3y, then y square plus 3y plus y, that means it will be plus 4y, then plus 9 plus 3, that means it will be plus 12, then is equal to 0. Now here I can apply discriminant formula, so I can write here delta is equal to b square minus 4 ac. Here a will be equal to 1, then b will be equal to 4, then c will be equal to 12. So I can write here delta is equal to b square, that means it will be 4 square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means 12, then is equal to 4 square is same as 16 minus 4 times 1 times 12, that means it will be 48, then is equal to 16 minus 48, that means it will be minus 32. So minus 32 is less than 0. So here no real solution, no real solution. Now from here y is equal to this minus 3 take to the right side, so this will be plus 3. Now we see y is equal to 3, but remember that let x power 3 is substituted by y. So y, that means x power 3. So y, that means it will be x power 3 is equal to 3. Now we have x power 3 is equal to 3. Now we need the value of x, so we multiply by power of 1 by 3 in both sides. So multiply by power of 1 by 3, multiply by power of 1 by 3. Now we see this 3 will be cancelled. So we have x power 1 is same as x is equal to 3 power of 1 by 3 can be written as cube root of 3. So cube root of 3, this is the value of x, so this is our final answer. How to solve x power x is equal to 5 power of 50. Find the value of x. So we have x power x is equal to 5 power of 50 can be written as 5 power of 2 times 25. Now x power x will be equal to 5 power of 2 times 25 can be written as 5 power 2, then bracket power of 25. According to this rule, a power of m times n is equal to a power m bracket power n. Now we have x power x is equal to 5 power 2 is same as 25, then power of 25. Now from here x will be equal to 25. According to this rule, a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. So 25, this is the value of x, so this is our final answer.